Okay, question number 1. This is for homework number 4. Okay, y'all did excellent. Everybody did excellent on their homeworks last night. So, this is for question number 1. Is a triangle below a right triangle? So remember, this is where you take your a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and you can plug it into the calculator and see if they're equal to each other and if it's yes or no. All right. Okay, so question number 2. What is the unit rate of the graph below? So this is the third question we've had on it. So now, if you look, we look for where it's 1, but there's not a 1 here on our graph. It's counting up by 3s. So what you can also do is take, say, a point like this, where it's 6 cookies eaten and 10 Brussels sprouts eaten. So you can find out where 10 over 6 is to find out how much it is per 1 cookie. All right, number 3 says a sphere has a diameter of 5.5 inches. What is the volume of the sphere? So we're looking for volume here. Okay, the formula for volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Okay, 5.5 inches is the diameter, so we need to find the radius. So we have to divide that by 2. When we do that, we get the radius is 2.75. And we just plug it into our formula. Okay, number 4. It says 2 baby elephants are born on the same day at the San Antonio Zoo. Elephant A was born at the weight of 152 pounds and is gaining 1.5 pounds each day. Elephant B was born at the weight of 208 pounds and is gaining 1 pound each day. Write an inequality for when elephant A will weigh more than elephant B. So we're just writing the inequality. Okay, number 5 says to dilate the image below by a scale factor of 5/3. So we're going to have to multiply those points by that scale factor of 5/3. And if your figure, it's going to go off the graph a little bit. So just draw it the best you can on the graph. But it is going to go off a little bit. Okay. Okay, number 6. In the inequality, negative 5 3/4 is less than x, which is less than 1/2. Is negative 5.125 a possible value of x? So will it go between there is what you're trying to find out, and it's going to be yes or no. Okay, number 7. The coordinate negative 6,3 is translated 8 units down and 10 units left. Find the distance between the point and the point after the dilation on the graph below. Okay, so it's not a dilation, it's a translation actually. And the point for negative 6,3 is going to be right here or around there. Okay. And so if I go 8 units down and 10 units to the left, this is obviously going to go off the graph. So let's just kind of talk about this. If we go 8 down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to go down like this. Okay, and then if I went 10 units to the left, I mean, yeah, it's going to go off the graph, but it's going to be going like this. And then we can make our points like that. So I know that this is 8, and I know that that's 10. And we're looking for the distance between, so you can find the distance between. All right? Just a squared plus b squared. That's all you got to do. Okay, number 8. What is the height of the triangle below? Okay, so we're looking for this h part right here. You can probably see a Pythagorean theorem question. You can see the right triangle, so that's all I got to do. Okay, number 9. Triangle has sides with lengths of 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 11 centimeters. Is it a right triangle? Y'all are doing really good with these types of questions. So really just a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And tell me yes or no. That's all you got. Okay, last but not least, number 10, write an equation in slope-intercept form using the table below. Okay, so slope-intercept form, find your slope, find your y-intercept, and let's get something down. Show your work. Y'all are getting a little bit better about attempting these types of questions, and getting better at getting the correct answer. All right, that's it for homework number 4.